Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to see a PhD notification. Here the university is Central University of Kerala. You can see that the seat matrix is here, like the reservation policy, how come they are going to take the income take seats, and then the eligibility criteria also given there. So you can see that PhD in economics, 5 seats are there. In English, 1 seat. You can see that the PhD in International Relation Politics. So there are 3 seats. You can see that the comparative literature 10 seats, and then in Malayalam it is 1 seat. You can see that. So PhD in Public Administration and Policy Studies. So there are 8 seats. You can see that the PhD in Social Work. So there are 3 seats, and then Education 8 seats. Biochemistry there are 7 seats, and Computer Science 5 seats. Environmental science 5 seat, genomic studies there is 1 seat. It is reserved for scheduled tribe, and then geology 6 seats, mathematics 14 seats, plant science there are 5 seats. So PhD in law there are 4 seats, PhD in public health and community medicine there are 4 seats. You can see that PhD in physics 13 seats, PhD in zoology 3 seats. So PhD in chemistry 7 seats, and then PhD in linguistics 3 seats. So these are the seat matrix. So if you'd like to join into Central University of Kerala, you have to apply through CUSET. And one thing that if you are having CSR or else UGC NET or else JRF GATE, or else you are having a 2 year MPhil, so you are exempted from the writing from the entrance examination. So you can directly go and give the interview, but you have to apply through CUSET. If you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp ED YouTube channel. Thank you.